Are you tired of always creating new content? Does the endless cycle of brainstorming, scripting, editing, and posting make you feel overwhelmed? If so, you're not alone. In this fast-paced world of digital media, content is king, and the pressure to consistently produce fresh, engaging material can be a lot. Would you like to know what can make this process a little easier for you? It's called content repurposing. Imagine taking a piece of content you've already created and giving it a new life, a new purpose. That's content repurposing. It's about taking what you already have and using it in different ways. For instance, a blog post can be transformed into an infographic, a podcast, or even a series of social media posts. A video can be broken down into bite-sized clips for social media platforms, or be used to create a written transcript that can be posted as a standalone blog. The possibilities are endless. Check out my Instagram page at AbbyTeachingAfar for multiple examples of how I repurpose my content. Content repurposing not only saves you time and energy, but also allows you to reach different people in your audience who prefer different types of content. There are people who like to watch videos, listen to podcasts, read blogs or emails, and visualize infographics and pictures. With repurposing, you're not constantly starting from scratch. You're building on what you already have. Now you might be wondering, won't my audience get bored of seeing the same content in different formats? Not if you do it right. The key to effective content repurposing is adding a new spin or perspective to the original content. It's not about recycling, it's about representing. In addition to saving time and reaching a broader audience, content repurposing can also improve your SEO ranking. When you reuse your content across different platforms, you create more opportunities for your audience to find you. This can increase your online visibility and drive more traffic to your site and social channels. To sum it up, if the never-ending cycle of creating new content is wearing you down, content repurposing could be the solution you've been looking for. In the description below, you can grab my free content strategy guide to help you get started. Repurposing is a strategy that allows you to make the most of what you've already created, saving you time and effort, reaching a wider audience, and boosting your SEO ranking. So, the next time you're staring at a blank screen, remember, you don't always need to create something new. Sometimes the best material is already at your fingertips, waiting to be repurposed. I want you all to work smarter, not harder, and watch your content flourish in ways that you never imagined. Check out this next video where I share with you 5 content repurposing do's and don'ts.